Hi guys. So this is part 2 of our solving midpoints video tutorials. So let's try to answer a couple of problems over here. So the first problem you have P or point P has coordinates 2 and 4 and Q has coordinates -10 and 12. Find the midpoint of PQ. All right, so as you notice, they already gave us a couple of values, P and Q. So, and they're looking for, or it's asking us to find the midpoint of PQ. So, although we have coordinates, is it necessary to graph the points? No, not exactly. You don't need to graph the points because you can still solve for the midpoint using the midpoint formula, right? So let's recap the midpoint formula. So midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2. Enclose that in parentheses because a midpoint is a set of points that has x and y value. So let's assign our points. So for point P, you have 2 and 4. I will assign my P as my x1, y1. And I will assign my Q, which is -10 and 12, as my x2, y2. All right, and I'm gonna plug in these values on the formula. So midpoint is equal to my x1, which is 2, plus my x2, which is -10, all over 2, comma, and then my y1, which is 4, plus my y2, which is 12, all over 2. All right, so let's simplify. 2 plus -10, of course, that will give us -8 over 2. Let's copy that. 4 plus 12, 16 over 2. So let's simplify all that. -8 over 2 is -4. 16 over 2 gives us 8. So therefore, our midpoints are at 4 and 8.